1 gram of gold, 1 gram of saffron. The scale does not lie.
Pure saffron sells for between $3,000 and $10,000 per kilogram at wholesale, depending on origin, grade, and This is Khorasan province, northeastern Iran. Every October, for just 2 weeks out of every year, these fields erupt in purple.
Inside this single flower, exactly 3 stigmas, 3 red threads. Each one must be removed.
Hundreds. To fill a single teaspoon with saffron threads requires the stigmas of approximately 500 individual Crocus sativus flowers. For over 3,500 years, saffron has been woven into the fabric of human civilization as a dye, a medicine, a perfume, and a flavor. Saffron does not grow from seeds. The Crocus sativus plant has been cultivated for so long, over 3,500 years. Each corm is a compressed storehouse of energy, starch, sugars, and growth hormones packed into a tight round package. Planting depth matters precisely. In Khorasan, saffron corms are planted 15 centimeters deep in late summer. Beneath the dry Khorasan soil, within 3 weeks of planting, the dormant corm begins its transformation. Every corm in the field awakens on almost the same day, triggered by the first cold nights of October dropping below 10 degrees Celsius. Each planted corm is a one-season sacrifice. As it feeds the flowers above, it slowly shrivels and dies Tory. But not before. Khorasan province looks like the last place anything would choose to grow. Summers reach 40 degrees Celsius. Winters drop to -20.
The soil of Khorasan is a well-drained clay loam, slightly alkaline, poor in organic matter.
After flowering in October and November, the saffron corms enter deep dormancy through the Iranian winter. Temperatures below -20 Celsius do not kill them.
In spring, the saffron plant finally shows itself above ground, but only as leaves. Thin, grass-like.
The saffron calendar is one of nature's most precise cycles. 6 months of dormancy through summer heat.
40 years of harvests right here. My family has worked this land for 3 generations.
Water timing is everything, and one precise irrigation.
The city of Torbat-e-Haydarieh in Khorasan is literally surrounded by saffron. The entire economy of this region October 15th, Torbat-e-Haydarieh, Khorasan. The field was bare brown soil yesterday. This morning approaches. Each Crocus sativus flower opens once, for exactly 1 day. By the following morning, the petals will collapse. Every saffron farmer in Khorasan sets their alarm for 3 a.m. during harvest weeks. Picking must begin before sunrise. Saffron harvest is a family emergency. Every able person, grandparents, children, cousins, joins the picking team.
As the sky lightens, the pace of picking intensifies. Every farmer knows they have perhaps 30
minutes. At the collection point, the morning's harvest is weighed. A skilled picker working quickly in good conditions can harvest 1
The peak flowering period lasts only 10 to 15 days. Not every corm flowers on the same day, some early.
When the morning picking ends, the real work begins. Every flower must be opened and its 3 stigmas. The stigma separation, called malband in Persian, must be completed within hours of picking.
An experienced saffron worker in Khorasan can separate the stigmas from 60 to 80 flowers per minute. Even at that speed, in the major saffron-producing villages of Khorasan, the entire community participates in processing. Neighbors help
Gently, like this, my dear. Twist it softly.
For every gram of saffron stigmas removed, approximately 70 grams of flower material, petals, stamens, and style. This is 1 gram of fresh saffron stigmas. It required the flowers of 500 Crocus sativus plants, each flower picked individually before sunrise. Saffron stigmas must be dried at a precise temperature, between 55 and 70 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 30 minutes. The test for proper drying is simple. A correctly dried saffron thread snaps cleanly when bent. A thread that bends without breaking still contains too much moisture. A family of 6 working from 3 a.m. through the afternoon, picking, separating, and drying, produces approximately 40 greens. Grade 1 saffron, called sargol in Persian, meaning top of the flower, consists only of the pure red stigma. Every saffron farmer in Khorasan carries the mark of harvest on their hands for weeks afterward. The crocin pigment from 3 compounds defines saffron's extraordinary value. Crocin, which gives saffron its golden color. Picrocrocin, responsible for its distinctive bitter taste. Choice. The international standard for saffron quality is ISO 3632, which measures saffron by its color. Genuine saffron releases its pigment with just a gentle rub. The corn silk, however, only reveals this artificial orange dye when pressed hard. The finest Iranian saffron is sold in quantities measured in grams, not kilograms. A top London or New York restaurant may order. In Persian cuisine, saffron is not a luxury addition, it is a fundamental ingredient. Persian rice, called cello,
Traditional Iranian and Ayurvedic medicine has prescribed saffron for over 2,000 years for depression, digestion, memory, and women's health.
Spain's La Mancha region produces some of the world's most respected saffron outside Iran. A tradition brought by Arab.
Iranian saffron is graded into 4 categories based on the ratio of red stigma to yellow style attached. Sargol, pure red tips, is the most potent. Iran produces approximately 430 metric tons of dry saffron annually, representing 90% of total regions. Most Iranian saffron never reaches the consumer under an Iranian label. It is exported in bulk to Spain, where it is consumer awareness of saffron origin is growing. Iranian origin saffron, when certified and sold transparently, now commands a premium even over repackaged Spanish labels. The next generation of Khorasan saffron farmers faces a profound challenge. Climate change is shifting precipitation into this. The ancient Qanat irrigation channels of Khorasan, some over 2,000 years old, are drying faster than Kashmir, India, centered around the town of Pampore near Srinagar, is the only other region producing saffron of comparable quality to Khorasan. Saffron was one of the most traded commodities on the ancient Silk Road, exchanged between Persian, Arab, Indian, Chinese, and eventually European merchants over 2,000 years.
Be careful when you stir the bottom. Look how vibrant the color is. This is the best batch we've made yet.
Two weeks. That is all the time that separates 364 days of silent waiting.
She has done this for 50 years. Her mother did it before her. Her daughter will do it after.
1 gram, 3 stigmas per flower, 500 flowers per gram, picked before sunrise.